hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's Dana. Let's get into it, shall we? A lot of things going on with XRP and Bitcoin and a few other altcoins actually look interesting. So, yeah, let's begin. So, let's start with Bitcoin, which is giving us a lot of mixed signals. Like, okay, let's take out the factors, okay? So, the prior daily candle actually ended as a hammer. Let's start with that. But it did got resisted at rejected at critical areas, key levels. This line right here. But the interesting part is it's not done yet. It's not valid yet, but it's showing. Okay. The interesting part is that we are seeing bullish divergence going on at the moment. Okay, if you ask where, just look at both the oscillators right here and right here. And compared with the price action, you guys see what I mean, right? So we are getting this mixed signal, like we are getting rejected at critical areas. At the same time, we do see this divergence, a nice divergence going on. And at the same time, we do have sell pressure, like it's undeniable. It's right here. So this is the thing when it comes to Bitcoin, okay? If we break out on a daily candle, okay, on a daily candle, if we break out above this level, that is 19,443, 19,443, it doesn't mean we're out of the woods yet, because then we do have this 19,700 level area, which is another resistance again, okay? The only time like I'm gonna be like really convinced that we are gonna go a bit higher for now like, let's say, a relief rally, and we'll see if that relief rally turns into something else. But step by step, let's not jump into things, okay? Step by step. So if that happens, we can see ourselves, watching Bitcoin at these areas, okay? If that happens. If not, if we get rejected at these areas, it's nothing strange because it is major resistance levels around 19.9. Okay, from 19.8 to 99, major resistance levels, okay? Resistance areas, rejection areas, whichever you like to call it. So that's on the daily. Like, RSI is still looking kind of weak, nothing special going on. But I do love the divergence that we're seeing right now. Thing is, it's not complete yet. You know what I say, like, these can go from pink to red very quick. So we can't hype yet, not yet. But it's something to keep in mind. Something to keep in mind. Like, it's very mixed signals because this hammer was nice, but then we did get rejected at these areas, so really doesn't matter. And you see this candle here? Yeah, like, it's the weekend, we'll see what happens. Maybe we get a weekend rally, never know. It's happened before, so it's possible. So let's get into the 4-hourly candle. Okay. Okay. I like this action right here. Like, we can't deny the fact that there is demand at these levels. I mean, how many times have we gone through this? Let me look at the weeks instead, okay? You see here all the, like, this candle and this candle, each candle represents a whole week, So if you think about it, yes, it keeps on being rejected, but then, like, these demand areas are being respected. Like, there is demand. People are coming in and buying, but not as strong, not strong enough to push us all the way up. But it does exist, okay? And if we look at the 4-hourly, it's undeniable. Like, this area here and this area here and this area and then this and this, like, buyers are coming in. Maybe it's buyers who think the low is in. Maybe it's buyers that are, DCAing. We don't know. But right now, we can't deny the fact that there is demand. Not as strong as maybe we hope for, but it's definitely there. Thing is, if we break below this level, 18,200, which we visited last time, because I did say in the stream last time, like, we can easily, I think we were somewhere here then. Oh, sorry, I think we were somewhere here, and I did say, like, we can easily see levels around 18K, which happened. We came all the way to around 18.2, 18,130, around these areas. I mean, it was just $100, $200 difference. So it's possible, but okay, let's bring out the factors, right? So prior candle, 4-hourly at least, ended bullish, okay? It ended bullish. Thing is, right now we are being rejected by the short-term moving average, which you guys know, I don't think that's a good thing, okay? It's another thing if we get above it. But right now, we got rejected here last time, and looks like we are getting rejected again this time, okay? So that's Bitcoin. Like, I'd be careful. All the key levels are still in play. If you guys go back to my past streams, you'd see that it's still in play. This trend line right here, I was gonna make a short video, but at the same time I had other things to do, so it was a bit too late because everything happened that so fast that day. But the last rally before we went all the way up to 19.9, there was a trend line that was respected, like beautifully in the 1 hourly chart, okay? So we broke out of it, we rallied all the way to 19.9, and then news came out. You know what happens? People sold. There's a lot of fear in the market, like most of the markets right now, so nothing strange about that. But there was a lot of action going on that day. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. For now, that's Bitcoin. Let me look at BTC USD on the index chart. Yeah, I mean, its price action is below all moving averages, below short term, mid-term, long term. I don't know. And look at this parallel channel. I mean, you could see it as a if you like if you forget about the heart line and this upper line, then just see this as some type of support that was being respected. But then look at the important part. Look, we got rejected here and then we got rejected here again. Okay, so it's being respected fully. But we'll see what happens. Bitcoin is giving us mixed signals. Like, I think next week is gonna be interesting, if not already by tomorrow. We'll see. But we are at rejection, like resistance levels again. Looks like it. We are. It's respecting the moving average, like to the point. So we are being resisted again. I mean rejected. And on the hourly, short term is trying to like get above the midterm, but we'll see it if it happens. Like, we don't know yet. Okay, what else? What else? Well, divergence has already played out from this part to this part. So we did have a little rally, something like that. But right now, if we are to continue downwards, we actually have to go up. If we are gonna like build some type of divergence again, we do have to go up a little bit more and maybe see one of the oscillators stay the way it is. I mean, not the way it is, but at the same levels, not, higher than the other one. But we'll see. But that's it for Bitcoin right now. I mean, we can get back to it soon. But let's get into Ethereum. Another interesting chart, okay? So, on one of the oscillators, one, not both, like Bitcoins, okay? On one of the oscillators when it comes to Ethereum, we are seeing divergence. We are seeing nice divergence, okay? It's not valid yet, it's forming, but it's there, it's being formed, so keep that in mind, okay? That's one bullish thing. And then after all this downside, we are kind of like our candle did as a doji. So we are seeing some indecision right now, which is not a bad thing. It doesn't mean like bulls are getting control, but it sure does mean that bears could be exhausted. But we will see what happens. Let's give it like a day and let's just see what happens. Key levels are being respected on point. Like, we held the resistance level from last time, as you guys can see. Let me just remove this. There's a lot of things going on here. Maybe for some of you, like, it's difficult to read, but for me this is normal. So if you see a lot of drawings, if it's too much for you guys, just let me know, okay? So if Ethereum can get back above $1,477, well, it's more like a matter of when, but you guys know what I mean. If, but I don't see that happening like today, say so. But let's see, because this candle is interesting to me, plus the divergence that we see is interesting as well. I wish it was on the RSI, because that would, like, you know, make it a bit more stronger. But nevertheless, it is on one of the oscillators, okay? So if I see like first resistance levels around 1,600, 1,564, between these prices, okay? That's Ethereum on the daily, and you know, we break it down daily, 4 hourly, 1 hourly. So like, if you're trading on a daily time frame, then you can like be a bit more calmer. But if you're dealing on the 4 hourly, like, do not mind the daily. Do you understand what I mean? So right, moving averages. Well, short term is above the midterm, which is not a bad thing. Good. Nice. This one can be removed now. It's irrelevant. I mean, guys, like, any one of us that got in at these areas, it's been a nice rally. It's been a nice rally. But now, let's look at the 4 hourly. This is short term, short time frame. Oh, this is not looking that good. Like, there is hidden bearish divergence going on right now, okay? We have resistance around 1,410 if you look at these areas right here, okay? 1,410. So we have to get above that area first. I can draw a line here. Okay. So Ethereum gotta get above, for us, like, to see some more push to the upside. It has to get above 1,410 areas, around these areas. I'm not saying to the dot, but around these areas, okay? If we do see around 1,600, 1,550, around these levels, okay? Yeah, no divergence or anything whatsoever on the hourly. Like, we're holding, but Hmm, I kind of see something now. Hold up. Just a minute. Yes, it's hourly. It's not as significant as the 4 hourly or so, but nevertheless, could be an interesting trade. So we do have support that was highly respect. I did say on my like last stream, the one before the last one, that if we broke 1237, we'd see Ethereum at $1,000 or even less. But it held for now. It's holding, okay. But I do not like these candles. I do not like these candles, okay. I don't. But okay, what do I see here? And I'm gonna be drawing this live, so bear with me. Yeah, okay. That's invalid, so I'm gonna remove it. Okay. Sometimes you have to draw, you know, the eye could be very tricky, so it's better if we draw and make sure. So never mind what I said, because that would be a very invalid trend line. And while we're talking about trend lines, if you guys want to learn how to draw them the correct way, or at least the way I draw trend lines, head over to Chart Striker and look at the video section, and you'll find a video with the title How to Draw Trend Lines the Correct Way. It's very, very helpful for beginners, and if you're already experienced, it's a nice way to refresh your memory again. It's a very short video. I don't want to, complicate things. So it's only 20 minutes long, but I guarantee you it's one of the best 20 minutes like you will have when it comes to technical analysis and indication, okay? It's simple, basic English, like nothing complicated, so you don't have to be sitting down and Googling every word I say. So head over and have a look, and if you like these contents, I'll just bring you more. I'll try to do some more educational videos. That one took me a few days to just edit and prepare for you guys. So I hope you really enjoy it and learn from it, find value in it. Okay, so that's Ethereum. We did talk about resistance levels, or at least first target. Now let's look at support levels. Yeah, pretty much the same when it comes to support levels, okay? If we break 1284, second would be 1232, around these areas. We break that one, see you back around 1165. Not much has changed in that, okay? What's interesting is this indecision going on right now after this price action, after a downtrend, and the fact that there is a nice divergence like forming. It's not complete, but it's forming. So I'd say on the daily, like it's possible we'll see like some more action to the upside after a bit of a chop move to the downside probably first, because I do see, well, the opposite of a nice divergence right here. So be cautious. Maybe we can come and touch the short-term moving average and then, roll over again. I'm just bringing you all the factors, like every factor I see in the chart. And then you guys do the maths, okay? All right, so that's that. And what else now? Right, XRP. I did make a short video yesterday saying that we could go all the way to 0.51, 0.52 levels on the daily and then, see a pullback. We went a bit higher. We went all the way to 0.55, like a few more cents. But nevertheless, we did get a pullback, okay? This level, we kind of broke below it. This level, 0.4757, which was drawn on the hourly, okay? It wasn't drawn on the daily, it was drawn on an hourly chart. But short-term moving average came in and it held XRP like Superman, okay? So not bad, but like I said, we are around resistance areas. Like, I'd be cautious. I wouldn't be getting in at these areas. Like, levels to get in was, let me remove this too, irrelevant now. Levels to get in was around these areas. I could extend this, but there's no point because the last time I streamed about XRP, I mean, the last time before the last time, we were around these levels, and I did say, like, yeah, we broke out a little bit, but then we came back down, but then we broke out again, got rejected at the same area, like last support levels became a new resistance level, okay? But then this major thing happened. I don't know what's going on with XRP fundamentally. Well, I know a little bit, but not everything, so hey, we will see. Thing is, I can't say it's really done yet. Like, we could see a pullback, a mini pullback, but in the long run or mid-run or midterm, I don't think XRP is done yet, okay? My shorts video are only for like 24 hours to a few days, like it's nothing for a long term. And if it is, I'll probably write it down in the description box. What XRP? Let's get into the factors. Just a moment, guys. I'm just gonna get a glass of aqua water. Just a minute. Or take 5 minutes if you guys like. Okay, it's 3:21 here, so 3:26 we'll be back and we will chop XRP's chart, okay? We'll see what's in, what's out, what's interesting, what's not. And if you like these contents, guys, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell and share it with your friends so, everybody can get a piece of education. Okay, we'll be right back. I put on the Bitcoin chart as usual. I'm kind of turning this into a tradition. Every time I take a mini break or I'm on a phone call or getting a glass of water or something. Oh, it's good that we looked at the 10-minute chart. Okay, there's some nice divergence going on here too. On the MACD, okay? On the MACD, I do see some nice divergence going on right now. So we'll see. Okay. Like, I have to leave the chart. If I don't, I won't get some water or anything. So I'll be right back. And we are back. I mean, I'm back. But yeah, okay, let's get into it. Oh, I see some new viewers. Welcome to the shows, guys. If you're lurking, I hope you're lurking in a relaxed way at least. Okay, let's get into XRP. XRP. Here we go. Okay, so there is some interesting things going on with Ripple right now, okay? It's the fact that we are above major levels, okay? Like if next week's candle, if next week's candle, like if this week closes above this and the next one, starts above this one, guys, it's gonna be very interesting, like very interesting. Like I can see Ripple going way higher. Yes, we are gonna see some resistance around 0.6 areas. But if we can break that one, see around 0.7, eventually even 0.8 levels, like we do have resistance, like we can't deny there is gonna be some resistance around 0.7 levels, okay? I do not like the fact that the short-term moving average is trying to roll over the midterm. That's not a good thing. But major thing is this candle. Like you guys know, I weigh most of my analysis on the Japanese indicators. Yes, I do combine Western indicators and I see what's going on with both. But it's possible because it's possible, but I'm not saying that we are gonna go all the way up to $2 or so. Not right now, at least, because there is something we have to keep in mind, okay? There is hidden bearish divergence already in play. You guys see that, right? There is hidden bearish divergence already in play. From this point to wherever this is gonna end up, okay? When we see some more action. So this is weekly chart, so do not mix it up with the daily. Do not mix it up with the midterm or short term. This is, I'm talking long term now, okay? And if we look at the daily right now, like it's not looking like I would not be going on in at these levels. I've already said that before. I wouldn't. Like, if you ask me, I'd already be out. Like the moment I spoke about reversal areas, like we are around reversal areas in my shorts video. So I'd be very cautious. I'd be very cautious at these levels. We are around overbought areas, like, and this is on the daily, okay? So, and look at the prior candle, like, obviously there was supply here. So I'd be very cautious. I'm saying it again like 10 times now, but I have to say it because a lot of new people might get into XRP now, because things look good when you don't dive deep into the analysis. You can't know, like, things can turn around. It's a bit difficult, so I'd be cautious. And if we look at the 4-hourly, sorry, let me go back. Let's take the factors out. MACD is still showing strength. Nothing has changed. There is no, well, yeah, okay. There is hidden bearish divergence. It's there, okay, so we can't deny that. And our site in overbought territories, but volume has been growing past days. We'll see what happens in the weekend, but past days, like, it's been looking healthy. 4-hourly, okay. So I wouldn't consider this a dark cloud cover really, because I don't know, like this candle didn't get all the way like halfway into the prior candle, but in some way it looks like one, but not really. So yeah, we are losing, like MACD's getting weaker, and we were at overbought territories. Like we're back to 60 right now, around 62, which is not bad, but let's still be very cautious at these areas. Like 0.6, we can come there, we could come there, but then I'd expect a mini pullback again, just like this one, something like this. So cautious, okay? So if we break, let's say 0.47 level, okay, I'd be looking at 0.45 to 0.44 levels, you know, first support levels, okay? And if we lose that one, I wouldn't be surprised if we go all the way to 0.4, 0.41 levels, like even 0.39. Like these are the major support levels I'm looking at right now when it comes to XRP short term. Okay, short term, so you guys do not get confused. Short to midterm, but I said short to midterm. All these support levels I'm talking about is short to midterm, nothing long term, okay? Let's look at the good things. Okay, short-term moving average is above midterm and long-term. Midterm is above long-term, which is also another good sign. But these are like supply levels right here, so be careful. Let's see what happens at the end of the week. That's what's gonna be interesting. Like if this candle can close above this yellow line here, okay? If it can close above it and we see like follow through next week, see eventually around 0.6, maybe a little pullback then, and then eventually around 0.7 levels. And after that, like it's just gonna continue. We are gonna be seeing a lot of resistance here and there, because there are a lot of like key levels like that are major rejection points, okay? Resistance points, okay? I mean resistance areas. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see like a good rally and then a mini pullback and then a good rally again and then a mini pullback, you know what I mean? So keep that in mind, okay? That's XRP. So we've talked about the support levels, about, you know, first support level, second support level, and we also discussed now the first supply zone and so on, okay? So that's XRP. It's looking interesting. Okay, next, Cardano. Like every time I look at it, I'm like, why are you not doing anything? Let me just remove this one. Kind of irrelevant now, so last time on my stream I said Cardano looks like it's just stuck. And I'm not gonna deny it, it still looks stuck. And this is the weekly, okay? Like, not much going on. We broke out of this trend line, good. We obviously backtested it, and this is on the weekly, okay? Good. But then, like, not much going on. Okay, let's look at the daily. We have to be fair with everything, so let's chop Cardano now. Daily, yeah, let's see now. Okay, like there's some type of like divergence going on, I guess. It's not valid yet, but it's forming. Like, it's forming. We can't like act like it's not there. It is there, it's forming, but we'll see what happens. Um, yeah, I mean, this is the thing with Cardano. Unless we get out, we get above at least, you know, these levels, 0.49, 0.48, 0.49, right here. It's kind of difficult to say something right now because it's just stuck. I can just extend this hardline so you guys see what I mean. Extend right. Okay. Do you guys see what I mean now? Like we've been, let me try to do this. Just trying to adjust. Yeah. Oh, I didn't need to do that. Just a minute. Okay. Yeah, no. Let's keep it this way for the sake of originality, because otherwise it looks a bit chopped up too. So this was the short-term, you know, target that was respected. I could just extend this, but there's no need. You guys get the point, hopefully. So we did reach this area and then we got rejected, but then there's some type of, you know, double bottom thing going on, if not even. Yeah, if you look at this one, I mean, not looking bad if it plays out, but you have to get above 0.49 level first. Like we have to close above it. We have to close the daily above it for me to begin, you know, discussing other levels. Until then, it's it's looking stuck still. Pretty much stuck. Not much has changed, guys. I am sorry for the Cardano people. Let's look at the 4-hourly. Maybe there's something more there that's interesting. Yeah. Yeah, same thing here. We have to get above 0.49 level. Like, until then, 0.49, 0.5. these levels we have to break for us to be a bit more convinced, okay? Our site is in, you know, neutral territory, and MACD is the usual, nothing special. Does not look like there is volume. Like, I don't know where the buyers are. I don't see a lot of volume. Prior volume bar is better than before yesterday's, but that's about it. Like, and if you look at the 4 hourly, it's just getting worse. I mean, look at this. I don't know. I think there are other altcoins like showing a bit more strength than Cardano is. So yeah, you know the resistance level now, you know the support level, which is being respected, luckily. So we can get back to Cardano when something else interesting is going on, because right now, not much to say. Not much to say. Hold on. I just saw Dodge coin, which I haven't had a look at in a good while. And what's going on? It's up 6%. Okay. I usually do not look at Dogecoin because I don't know. I only look at it when there's something interesting going on, and right now it looks like there's something interesting going on. So just a minute. Let's see what's up. We broke out of this resistance level 0.06282. Okay. Is there anything fundamental going on? I'm gonna look at the technical part, but sometimes it could just be because of something fundamental. Dogecoin. Did Elon Musk tweet about it? Maybe something like that. Like, you never know. A minute now. Let's see. Dodge. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if it's Elon that tweeted something or something happened and it's going up. But oh, never mind. Never mind. Hold on. I just saw there was a nice divergence on the daily right now. And on top of that, a lot of small bodies after this, you know, showing bears are a bit exhausted. Okay. But still, I gotta check the fundamental part. Like, something might be going on. Hold on. I'm just gonna go directly into Elon Musk's Twitter page. Okay, I see nothing. Okay, it's definitely not Elon who's pumping this, so... Because it's weird, everything else is like 1% and stuff, and then you see Dogecoin like up 5% already, so... I had to check it out, because usually it is Elon Musk, you know, doing his thing when it comes to Dogecoin. Okay, let's get into the TA. So, what has happened? We broke out of this trend line, obviously. We kind of came back all the way down again. Got rejected at resistance areas. Okay, music. Audio library from YouTube to the rescue. Like we need some music in the background. I like this action. I like this action. If this candle ends anywhere like this, I mean, we're looking at three white soldiers. Okay. Um, yeah, for the hidden bearish divergence to die, like we literally need to get above 0.08666 levels, which is a bit far-fetched right now, but it's crypto. You never know what happens. So daily, volume is kind of dead, not much going on. MACD, like hit like the bullish divergence is playing out right now as we speak, which is a good thing. Very nice hidden divergence actually. Look at this. RSI is soon in bullish territories. Another good thing. Let me just do this because so we can focus only on the main price levels, nothing else. Minute water. Yeah, we have to drink a lot of water, you know, because we be speaking and speaking and speaking a lot. So, yeah. Anyways, let's see now. Dogecoin doing things. Interesting thing. So, I can see us running all the way up to 0.077 levels. And then see some type of pullback after that. 0.77, 0.0822, these levels, okay? You're watching the show, so maybe there's no need in, you know, drawing things. But these levels is what I'm expecting. If this continues the way it is, and this on the daily chart, I mean, I like these candles. I like all of them. And we are in bullish territory. So yeah, see you, I guess, eventually see you around 0.77, 0.08 levels, somewhere there, 0.082. Looking interesting, looking very interesting. Dogecoin. I'm glad I was streaming now because I would have probably missed this. So just a minute, I'm just gonna do something because now we saw Dogecoin. Just a minute. Oh, so look at this, 4 hourly. Yeah, we can't miss this. Okay, 4 hourly. What's going on here? Oh, we are about to hit some type of resistance around 0.07 areas, obviously, right here. This I gotta draw, okay? Even for my own sake, just a minute. Yeah, we've been rejected here many times, so If it's respected again, I wouldn't be surprised at all. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Our hourly chart is looking bullish, but we are in overbought territories when it comes to the RSI, okay? So be cautious, guys. Friends, be cautious, okay? I don't see any divergence going on right now. But if you see a pullback around 0.69, 0.7 levels, it's nothing weird, okay? Like, it's just TA telling you it's being respected, nothing else. But it's looking good now, it's looking strong, so I got nothing bad to say about this right now, okay? Okay, Dogecoin, you do your thing. Cool. What else? What else? Yeah, it kind of respected, look at this, it respected this level. I mean, this is a support level. I know all the lines look the same, but I understand them because I just look at the price action and everything else. So this is being respected. Look, if I hold the cruiser right here, and you see the white line, it just, you know, continues with the red line, with the red dotted line. So it got respected again. A good thing. Very good thing. Okay, Dogecoin, you just gotta break out of 0.069 and then stay around these levels. Okay. Okay, that's Dogecoin. Let me see now. Just a minute. Okay. What else? What else? Link, right? Link was kind of looking. Okay. Oh, that's a very sad music voice. Just a minute. Why does it sound so dramatic? Just a minute. Just I gotta find some happier music because this is too dramatic for me. Just a minute. Okay, much better. Jazz and blues. So weekly Chainlink weekly. Nice divergence going on. Nice divergence going on. But where is the push? I don't see it like nice push, which is matching up with the divergence yet. I mean, I'm talking about weekly divergence, okay, on both the oscillators, but I can't see anything yet. I don't see much happening yet, okay? But okay, let's get into the daily. Oh, first, weekly. Let's see, nothing special, nothing special. Okay, let's get into the daily then. So we did hit, I maybe didn't speak about this on the streams. It was probably something I was looking at privately, but we did hit midterm supply zone and we got rejected. But the beauty of this is we are holding key level, like we are still above it. Like as long as we are above it, we are good, okay? So short term, this is the daily chart, okay? So this is something important. Short term is above the midterm, nice. There is no divergence really, like we'll have to come a bit lower to see a nice divergence. Right now there is none. Let's see now. But I like the prior bullish candle, both of them actually. I think we are gonna see a continuation to the upside. Like we are losing, negative momentum on the MACD. Whoa, that was tough. But nevertheless, we are losing negative momentum on the MACD. Our side is in neutral territories, nothing special going on there. But I like the prior candles, so we might see some continuation to the upside, like before anything else. Hmm. Well, this candle kind of took out all these candles, which is another bullish thing. Nice, very nice. I do not like the fact that the short-term moving average is trying to curl below the midterm. You guys know what I think about that. But our side is close to bullish territories, okay? Our side is close to bullish territories, so I don't know. Unfortunately, there is hidden bearish divergence right now forming. It's not complete, it's forming though. You can come all the way to 7.8 and there would still be hidden bearish divergence forming, okay? Just keep that in mind, okay? Hourly. Hourly is holding above the long-term moving average. Short-term is curling over the midterm to bullish signs. But there's also bearish divergence forming here too. Not complete, but it's forming. But our side is in bullish territory. So yeah, I could expect like a bit more push to the upside, but then probably short-lived, okay? It's gonna be an interesting close for Chainlink this week, so I'll keep an eye on it and we can get back to it later. So we'll see. We'll see. See what happens. If we get above if we can get above 7.8, see around 8.3, 7, 8.2, around these levels, and then probably see a pullback. But we'll see. We'll see. Not looking that horrible. It's had worse days, so yeah. I think a bit more push wouldn't be surprising right now. To the upside, of course. That's what I mean. Okay, so that's Chainlink. What else? What else? By the way, guys, if you like the stream, if you like the content I'm bringing you, I'd appreciate the likes, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified before I go live next time, and share it with your friends or family members. No, wait, I take that back, because yeah, like, I know a lot of friends who told their families to buy at this place and buy this and buy that, and now when the bear market hit, some are not visiting their family members because they can't just face them. And like, it's funny, but I understand, but it's funny. I mean, it's best to do your own research, even if you're a sister or brother. Just saying, okay? Just saying. Just invest in educating yourself, invest in learning technical analysis. Do your own research when it comes to the fundamental part too. I mean, I know you love your bros and your sis and all that, but you know, those who recommend things to you just because they care for you too, I mean, when things go left, they're not feeling good. Just saying, like, so share it with your friends and your family members, but do not forget to tell them. Also do your own research, okay? Okay, what else? That was Chainlink. What else? What else? What? Now, I was looking at Luna Classic last time. It had some type of bullish divergence going on. I don't know what's happened since then. I haven't seen it at all. Oh, well, look at this. Guys, this is not what you want to see on a chart. I'm just saying, okay? This is the weekly. Like, you do not want to see this. But on the other hand, weekly, like, it's looking bad. This is not good, okay? Look at this candle. I mean, okay, I'm not even gonna get into it. Let's have a look at the daily. Okay, there is like a nice divergence going on. I can't say it's valid because it's not complete yet, obviously. And it's only on the MACD, so not both the oscillators, okay? But I have to say, like, if like next daily candle, or this daily candle, you know, closes, you know, below this line right here, we've lost support. Like, there is no demand right now, okay? I know some of you are not gonna like what you're hearing, but it's the truth. There's no hype in the stream. Like, we just, you know, talk facts, and then is not always, you know, even if the, you know, TA is correct, or the Japanese indicators are telling you one thing, or the Western indicators are telling you one thing, it doesn't mean it's always going to be respected 100%. That's not the way it works. but most of the time it does work. Okay, that's the thing. It's all about risk management. I mean, if you educate yourself, you'll have better risk management. Okay, but this is not looking good. I'm just saying this is not looking good for Luna Classic fans. Like, I did say last time, like, it was looking good before, you know, it looked like it was losing support, this support, but right now, I don't see the demand. I mean, let's get into the 4 hourly. There is no divergence. We're being like rejected by the long-term moving average. Guys, guys. Our sign on the daily is back to neutral too. Yeah, I'd like wait and see what happens because this is not looking healthy. We're probably gonna go further down. Okay, if we lose this level, let me just draw a trend line here. Perfect. Okay. If we break this level, guys, not gonna be looking good for. We will definitely see 0.002. Definitely. Okay. Okay, not definitely, but the probabilities for that to happen is very high. Very, very high. Keep that in mind. Those of you who like Luna Classic and all that, okay? What else? What else? Luna C. Let's get back into Bitcoin. Like too many mixed signals. Too many mixed signals. Okay. I think maybe we'll have a look at one more if there's something interesting. Otherwise, I'll keep this stream short and I'll be back tomorrow. Oh, right. By the way, guys, anybody who wants to join Discord, I'm gonna drop the link in the chat box. Just a second. that. And this invite link expires in 7 days. I'm just trying to keep it safe. So if you're looking at this stream after 2 weeks or a month or much later, this link is probably not working, okay? But I'm gonna drop it now. Link to Discord. That's wrong. Okay, there you go, guys. So anybody who wants to join, just click on the link and I'll see you there. That's pretty late here, so I think I'm gonna call it a show for today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Be notified in time. And I appreciate all of you subscribers, and all the likes. Like I always say, it warms up the heart and motivates one, you know, as a new streamer too. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care of each other and peace.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past